So today we're making small noggins to attach a drip edge front and back. I also added 6cm each side as well. That was basically a 3x2. I used clamps and well placed bits of wood before securing with screws. And on to getting the roof boards up, securing with screws all the way around. After that, I decided to put in some more noggins, front to back, to solidify the roof structure even more. And now to finish the cladding to the front and adding a bit underneath the drip edge to neaten everything up. Next up, while I'm waiting for the felt, will be the doors and some more of the trim, and I'll also be going inside and starting the insulation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. Thank you very much.